Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we will create another sketch in Fusion360 and this is the sketch. We will start with this circle. The diameter for this circle is 56. Go to Fusion360, start a new sketch and select a plane. I will select front plane and diameter for a circle is 56. The diameter for this outer circle is 120 and the radius is 60. And this is a construction circle, so I will make it a construction, and then I will create a center line, and this is also a construction line. Now I start a line here and extend this line up to this circle, and this line is symmetric around this horizontal line. I will go to symmetry constant and select this line and this, and symmetry around this one, and the dimension is 23. And distance from midpoint to this line is 35. Trim this circle from here, and I will use a mirror. For that I will create another line. This is also a construction line. Go to mirror and select these lines and mirror about this line. Click OK and trim this one. Now I will create these circles, and for that we need this center line, and this center line is at angle of 30 degree from this horizontal line. Go to sketch and select a line, and this is a construction line. The diameter for this inside circle is 40 and for this outside circle is 60. So go to circle, 40, and again circle, 60. Now we need to create these lines, and these two lines are parallel to this center line. Create a line, give the constant of parallel, and then extend, and then mirror this line. And distance between these two lines is 20. And trim this. Now we will use a circle pattern. For that go to a circle pattern, and we want to pattern these objects, and this is our center point, and total number is 6, and we will distribute it as full. Click OK and trim, and this. We can hide constants and dimensions, and also construction geometries. This is our sketch. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe. Thank you.